Hi guys, welcome to the second part of Azure Recovery Services Vault. So in this part I will talk about the removal of backups and the steps which we will take to delete the backup files from the Azure portal, as we have already did the things in the previous part. So I just directly go to the Azure portal and start doing from the previous place. Like we already have enabled the recovery things related to backup. So under this resource group we have created the recovery vault, and this VM server we have the backups. So today I'm just going to delete the backups, as we don't need right now for this tutorial, or if you don't need for, like, you must have a specific time stamp for after that you don't need, so you can delete those in your environment. So I just go to this recovery vault. So in this recovery vault I want to delete those backups from the virtual machine. So I just go to the backup items under protected items. So click on the backup items, and over here we can see like there are two virtual machines under this recovery vault which already have enabled the recovery. So here Azure backup agent, so we just need to go here to delete those backups. So over here we can see we have a virtual machine named VM server and 11, and it's already in the success state for a backup, and that's the date and the timestamp for the last backup of this virtual machine, and this is the drive. So we just need to click on the view details. In the details section we can see like there are recovery points, like 5 recovery points in total, and the starting and ending time for like that. And then we need to click on the computer name, which is the server which we are going to delete the backups. And over here we can see there is only one backup for that specific time or day, and we can delete this one just clicking on this delete button. And over here we can see like we need to provide the name, so we can just give the VM server 11, that's the name, to confirm to delete. And we need to give the reason, like whatever you want to give you can give, and you can comment anything, so just go with any, um, no need. But here it's saying like we need to we cannot delete because we need to go back and delete, like we need to stop that backup first. So we just go back to that backup blade, and we need to stop this first to delete the backups. A little bit slow, but let's see. So here everything is okay, like we just double confirmed over here. And now we go back to that virtual machine to stop the backup things. So click on the virtual machine and choose the virtual machine. So right now this virtual machine is running, so I will choose and stop this server from the backup. So just stop backup and delete, type the name of the backup item, just you can type like VM server 11, and reason, you can put any reason. So it's not going because we need to write exactly, is case sensitive, so just need to delete the backups. Let's wait for a while. I will come back once it's completed. So here it is, we can see the backups already stopped and it shows the sign for stop. So if we want to start again, we just need to resume, but we can just delete this one as we don't need. So this is a small tutorial regarding to backups, and hope you guys like. I will come with another tutorial regarding to another product. So this is a small tutorial for today, and bye bye.